What's that?
And a new puzzle. New puzzle. What?
Wow.
And then a new puzzle. It's not monkey puzzle. Oh, it's not monkey puzzle.
Wow.
And a ball. Let me see what's in here. Let me open it and see what's
That looks like candy.
Yeah. There's even more in there. Oh, I can't open those eggs. And a heart. Another heart. Hey, look.
Mhm.
I'm having a dead Easter.
You are? You're having a good Easter?
Of course. A
Mm-hmm.
happy one. And a total. And a flap.
Mm-hmm.
Even more candy. I don't know what this called.
A chocolate bunny.
And that's my favorite.
Here, can you look at the camera and say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.